Good afternoon. It's Tuesday, June 2nd, 2009. I'm going to show off a new group feature. You can now set up groups on the system and make payments using group currency. So you've got the main default system currency, but now anyone can create a group and create their own currency with their own currency units and invite people or approve membership requests or make it open. Both kind of two group types there. So here we're seeing a poker club group where you just, instead of using real money, you can keep track of your winnings on this group currency. And suppose I wanted to make a payment to Cartman here. When I look at his profile now, I can see which groups he administers, the groups he's members of, and now instead of just one account balance, we can see his account balance for every single group. So I I lost some money to him playing poker, 20 chips. I can select which group payment, and this is for poker winnings. And so I make a payment to Cartman, and now if we look at this group here, we can see the most recent activity here, and we see that Cartman just earned 20 chips. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to see how we can access this groups feature and outside of the system. So from another, in this case, some blogging software. And we're going to see how easy it is that we can create a blogging, some blogging software on a website and actually create our own currency remotely. So that's pretty interesting. We're going to use a site called Heroku, which lets you quickly deploy new Rails applications. So let's do that right now. The blogging software I'm going to use is it's brand spanking new. I forked a copy here and made some changes to support group currency. And I'm just going to use the public clone URL here. So git clone that. And the name of the blogging software is called Roll My Blog, as you can see there. And I guess this may take a minute since we're not on the best network connection, but I promise it'll be worth it. So what we're going to do is the OS currency server exposes a REST API, and the blogging software is going to talk to the server to be able to do everything we do on the server with groups. So roll my blog, and let's say Heroku create, to create a new web presence that we'll host the blogging software on. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so you can see here it's created a website called Blooming Leaf 88. So now we've got to git push Heroku master, and this will push the software to our website. And then we have to do the database. It's still thinking here. It's installing some gems that the blogging software depends on. And we've got a website. App deployed to Heroku. So the last thing we have to do is Heroku rake db migrate. And that will get our database going. So I need to go get our, copy and paste our website here. And as soon as, all right, so we got our database set up. So now I'll go get our website. Oops. So what do we got here? Okay, let's see what happens if we do this. Heroku restart. Alright, server's restarted. Does that fix our problem? Yes, it does. Alright, so we've got ourselves a blog. This is what we get for being on the cutting edge and not practicing before I do this screencast. This is blogging software. We can, create our blog and stuff. What we want here first, actually, I don't need to, I just click here, is we populated the preferences with some default stuff. This blog supports OpenID to log in, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in first. There we go. And so now let's log in. So there we are. Using the preferences default, we're signed in as this particular member who administers one group. He has a number of accounts that he's group member of, and we're just going to quickly create a new group to show that we can do this remotely. Let's say bowling league. Currency unit is hours, and then bowling league, and then create our group and our currency, and there we go. We created a group, and as we can see, we got a new account here for the bowling league, and I can go back to website here and click on groups and see here's our new bowling league group that we created from our blogging software. So hope you enjoyed it. I had a good time making this feature, and see you next time.